So finally the first person has been about to complete the 22-kilometer marathon track here. So other guy, the second one. Okay, 21 kilometer. So guys, right now we are at the, here at the place. Right now I'm at the track. It was like the marathon, athlete kind of, the sports activities going so far here in Skardu Valley. The third one is here. 3007 has been reached here. See, good job, good job. Looks like he's so much tired. That's decorated like kind of